What is this?
Rabbits.
Oh, very nice. Okay, what are this?
Carrots.
Carrots, correct. Okay, now will you name the shapes? Say it. Which shape is this?
Hexagon.
Very good. Next, which shape is this?
Hand shape.
Very good. Which shape is this?
Fish shape.
Very good. And which shape is this?
Circle.
And which shape is this?
Kangaroo.
Very good. Did you enjoy the activity? Okay. Which shape is this?
Hand shape.
Which shape is this?
Fish shape.
Which shape is this?
Kangaroo shape.
Which shape is this?
Triangle.
Wait, this.
Hexagon.
Very good. And which shape is this?
Circle.
Very good. So, did you enjoy the activity?
Yeah, I enjoyed the activity.
Very good. Say bye.
Bye.